Dear Lord, thank you for the eyes that opened this morning without me asking them to. Thank you for the breath that came before I was awake enough to want it. Thank you for a heart that kept its rhythm all night while I slept, and for feet that still find the floor. Close your eyes if you can. Breathe slowly. Let these words become your own words this morning. Your word says in Psalm 92, verse 2, to show forth thy loving kindness in the morning, and thy faithfulness every night. So this is where I begin, Lord, not with my list, not with the things I need you to fix by lunchtime. I begin by saying out loud what you did while I was not watching. You kept the house standing. You kept my lungs working. You held the job I was afraid of losing, and it is still there this morning. You held the person I love, and they are still breathing in the next room. I did not do any of that. I want to name it before I ask you for anything else, because if I do not name it, I will forget it by noon. Thank you for the small mercy of a bed. Thank you for water that comes when I turn the tap. Thank you for a body that still gets up, even when it aches, even when it is slower than it used to be. Thank you for the friend who texted back. Thank you for the bill that got paid somehow, in a way I still cannot fully explain. Your faithfulness ran through the whole night while I was unconscious, and it is running now while I say these words. Let me carry that into this day. Let me be a person who notices. Your word says in Psalm 63, verse 1, O God, thou art my God. Early will I seek thee. My soul thirsteth for thee. My flesh longeth for thee in a dry and thirsty land. There are mornings when I reach for my phone before I reach for you. I am not proud of it. The screen lights up and the day already has its hands around my throat before I have said one word to the God who made the day. Change that in me. Let you be the first voice, not the fifth. And Lord, I know what a dry land feels like. It is not always drama. Sometimes it is just Tuesday. Sometimes it is the same commute, the same inbox, the same conversation with the same person who never really hears me. That is the dry place. And still I want you in it. Not so you can lift me out of it, but so you can meet me inside it. Thank you that you are worth wanting for your own sake. Thank you that gratitude is not a bill I owe you, but a door I get to walk through. My soul is thirsty this morning, and I am not embarrassed by that anymore. I would rather be thirsty and honest with you than full and far away. Meet me here at the beginning, before anything else takes my attention. Your word says in Psalm 59, verse 16, But I will sing of thy power. Yea, I will sing aloud of thy mercy in the morning, for thou hast been my defense and refuge in the day of my trouble. I want to sing about this, Lord, even if my voice is bad and the kitchen is the only place that hears it, because you have been my defense and I have the evidence. Think of the year I did not think I would survive. I survived it. Think of the fear that used to sit on my chest at 3 in the morning. It is not gone, but it is smaller, and I'm not alone with it. Think of the door that closed and felt like the end, and how something else opened that I could not have arranged for myself. Thank you for being a refuge and not just an idea. Thank you for the people you put in the room when I was falling apart. Thank you for the ones who prayed for me when I could not form a sentence. Today, I do not want to only ask. Today, I want to celebrate. Let this morning have some joy in it that does not depend on my circumstances behaving. Let my thanksgiving be loud enough that my own fear can hear it. You are good. You have been good. You will be good when this day turns out differently than I planned. Your word says in Psalm 30, verse 5, For his anger endureth but a moment. In his favor is life. Weeping may endure for a night, but joy cometh in the morning. This is the promise I am standing on. Not that there will be no night. There will be. Some of us cried last night and nobody knew. Some of us are carrying grief that the sunrise does not erase. But you said joy comes in the morning, and morning is here. and I am going to hold you to your own word. Thank you that your favor is not something I earn by having a good week. Thank you that your kindness is not a reward for my performance. Bring joy into the house that has felt heavy. Bring joy into the body that is tired of being sick. Bring joy into the marriage that has gone quiet. Bring joy into the account that does not add up, and into the room where the chair is empty. I am not pretending the night did not happen. I am saying the morning belongs to you, and so do I. Let gratitude be the thing that gets up first in me today, before worry, before the mental list, before the old dread that thinks it has the right to speak. Joy is coming. It may come slowly. It is still coming. I came into this prayer with the day still feeling like mine to carry. It is yours now. I came in half awake and half worried. I am leaving with a heart full of thanksgiving, and that is not a mood. That is a decision I am making in your presence. So I declare it. Over my mind, I have peace, and my first thought today is thank you. Over my home, it is covered, and there is laughter in it again. Over my body, it is held, it is healing, and it is stronger than it feels. Over my work, my hands are steady, and what I do today matters. Over my finances, what I have is enough for today, and I trust the God who provides tomorrow. Over the people I love, they are guarded, they are seen by you, and none of them are outside your reach. I am not leaving in the same condition I arrived. I came in counting problems. I am going out counting mercies. Your goodness went ahead of me into this day, before I even knew what the day would hold. May the Lord bless you and keep you today. May his face shine on your ordinary hours, on your commute, on the work nobody sees you do. May you catch yourself smiling for no reason and know exactly where it came from. And may your first words tomorrow be the same as today. Thank you. If this prayer met you where you are this morning, type Amen below. And if someone you know woke up heavy this morning, share this and let it find them.